Hello guys, I am Tawin, and do you know what we're gonna do today? I don't have Meowbit yet, but it arrived at home today. Can you see it here? It's a Meowbit, and I want to show you this side, and you can see that the Meowbit has a paper around it. How to open it? You just need to do like this and then get out. I kind of want to keep it, so over somewhere first, like here. So you can see it have a Meowbit inside it, and it's 3D. So around unpackaging, the open is here. See, it have a little bit to open, so we will open it like kind of like. It's a little hard, so you just need to use your muscles. Maybe use 2 fingers. Oh yeah! Now we can open it. And first thing first, the Meowbit. Can you see the Meowbit here? It's the Meowbit. And the Meowbit, if I want you to see this side and this. So the first one is Meowbit with silicone case. So the silicone case is inside. I think it's the orange one, or maybe inside, but no, better worry it. And USB cable, the USB cable for transfer game for computer to Meowbit and power for Meowbit. And last one, is a battery. So I put it here. Great. And this box, I'll keep it for something. So put it the same way. Maybe so this is what I keep. I'm gonna keep it back. So we're gonna try download it. Okay, download it with the computer. So we will download it. So now that we connect all the things here, you can see that now that it's connected battery, but it didn't connect the cable yet. I mean the USB cable. So at first time you will open here. Can you see it? It have an opening thing over here. Can you see the small black thing? You can open it. Then you can see that it's open, and the Raptor Run is already inside the Meowbit at first time that you play, or maybe other games. So we're gonna try to play it. Oh! The Raptor should run. You can see the critters, which you can hit, and the velocity. Maybe use the velocity for the jump. But now I'm gonna download my own. Let's see who got his game better than each other. So let's start download. Okay. Guys, this is my Meowbit, and now I'm gonna download my game to the Meowbit. So first thing first, I need to block the cable here, straightly here. So over here, I will block the cable, and then make sure it's red over here. That means you already blocked it. So now you can see that we will open it first. And now it's waiting for our project. I'll click it. And I'm gonna go to Meowbit and choose hardware as Meowbit. So, and next is I'm gonna download to Meowbit. It's downloaded. Can you see it, guys? And our Meowbit is over here. It's waiting, so I'll put it here. It download complete, so you need a file. I'm gonna cut it and then I'm going to move it the Arcade here. So at the download I need, oh, that's the sound from it. So I'm gonna copy, put it to Arcade 4 and place. And it's copying one item. Wait. And now I'm gonna do this, and you can see our game has come into our thing, but I guess you didn't see. So maybe I will help you a little. So I'm gonna show it to you. You can see the little thing right there. So now, can you see it? You can do it anywhere to catch the pizza. So I'm gonna tell you. So now that you see it, and now that we got our thing, now I'm gonna show you a more program that I want. Maze. So I will close it and then open it again. So I'm gonna download, but first I'm gonna choose hardware as Meowbit. And I got the Meowbit. I'll download to Meowbit. And my Maze is one of my games, so I'm gonna show you more. So now it's waiting to download, so you can wait a little bit more, okay? So it's download complete. We need to get the file, and so I'm gonna get out and go to files again, and here's our file. Go to download, and there's Arcade Maze. Make sure you copy and go to Arcade 4. You place. It's waiting, so no need to worry. Now it has my maze. Can you see it? I need to get out. How to get out? So here, and if you have Meowbit, you can download your own game. Oh, there's a secret passenger. Oh, there is a secret passenger way. So go through it, and I already published. If you have Meowbit, you can publish your own game. So today you learn how to just download a game of your own into a Meowbit. So bye bye for today. Thank you.